All right, we're gonna go through why it's important to clean your Kangen water machine. As you know, it comes with alkaline water, acid water, several different waters to choose from. But when we have alkaline water going through the unit, it does build up calcium on the electrodes. So what we're gonna do here is this unit has not been cleaned in quite a lot of time. So we're gonna just take a sample here and we're gonna check for molecular hydrogen. So we don't have a filter on it, we don't really need it because we do have a whole house water system here. So it is very well filtered water, but we're just gonna put 2 drops, 3 drops. It should be able to produce at 0.5. So if it stays blue, that means there is no hydrogen present. If it is clear, that means there's hydrogen. So as you can see, because it's not being cleaned, it's not giving the hydrogen. So I will show you with our technology here on what it does. Okay, so this is our unit here. This is the hydrogen. It's got 1.2 parts per billion of hydrogen at this level. So we'll just show you here. The water.
Hydrogen water level 3.
Let's just put the same amount of drops. And then we want to let it dissipate. You can see how it becomes clear. So that means there's hydrogen in it. So we gotta make sure that you're cleaning and maintaining your unit. Alrighty, here's the cleaning process. It's going. So as you can see, all the whiteness is coming out. There's all the calcium that was in there. You can see some flakes coming off as well. It just means it needs to be cleaned. It's very important to be cleaning it every 2 weeks. I know it's a hassle, but it is necessary if you want to maintain that hydrogen. There you go, you can see all the calcium there. All right, so this is after cleaning the K8 for 5 hours on our pump, and then we actually let it sit overnight too to make sure we get all that calcium off. So we are going to test again for the hydrogen. And remember, the parts per million of hydrogen has to be 0.5 parts per million in order to get the therapeutic dose. And this is not a scientific test here. I'm just showing you. I'm not measuring anything, so here we go. Whoops. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's 5 drops. Now because that's such a large water volume there, you should see immediately it should start dissipating. Okay, so if there is still blue water, there's no hydrogen. So now we're going to go over to the best hydrogen water device.
Hydrogen water level
Turn it on. Looks like we're getting about 1.3 parts per, or 1,300 parts per billion here. Okay, so we're just going to do the same thing here. Fill her on up. And put the same amount of drops to keep it consistent. And this device here, there's no cleaning. You don't have to do a yearly cleaning. 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't have to have the citric acid wash. So as you can see there, it's dissipating rapidly.
Hydrogen water level 3.
And voila. There it goes to clear. Okay, so that's the difference. There literally is no cleaning, only it's self-cleaning there. But what I love most about it is that it gets results. It gives you so much hydrogen, and that is the reason that you want to be drinking the electrolyzed water, is to get the hydrogen. Whereas this one is going to give you alkaline water, but it does not give you enough hydrogen to actually get a result unless you're drinking very large volumes of that water. So there you are. There is the differences for you.